I was sipping tea and casually browsing the Galaxy Watch subreddit, and I came across an interesting post by a user named Jetcock. He sent his watch for repair to Samsung customer service, who flashed a new ROM on the watch, and it had cool Maison Kitsune watch faces that weren't available before. It's a French-Japanese lifestyle brand, and Samsung offered a limited edition watch for in partnership with them last year. Coming back to the video, instead of returning the watch and getting the stock OS back, Good Samaritan Jetcock extracted the APKs file from the watch for you to enjoy. In this video, I am going to share how you can install those watch faces and get them on your watch. I would leave the link for the subreddit post down in the description below, and you will find the download link for the watch face APKs in the subreddit link. These watch faces and tutorials should work on both Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and 5. However, I have only tested it with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44mm variant. Just follow along and you will be able to use the Maison Kitsune watch screen on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. But before we begin, there are some things you should know about. This method will only work on Android devices, so if you are a Fossil Watch owner using it with iPhone, then this video isn't for you. Second, for this method to work, both your watch and phone need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And if you find the video to be fast, then consider slowing down the playback or increasing the speed if you find it to be slow. So with all that information out of the way, let's begin. First, open the settings, scroll to the bottom and tap on the About Watch option. Here, look for the software info option and open it. On the next screen, tap multiple times on the software version option until you see the developer option enabled pop-up. Now go back, just below the About the Watch option, you will find the developer options. Open it. Scroll and enable the ADB debugging option here. Now enable the debug over Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the wireless debugging option, located just below it. On the next screen, enable wireless debugging. Now go to your Wi-Fi settings and make sure your watch is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once you have made sure that the watch is connected, go back to the wireless debugging option again and make sure it is enabled. If it is not, then enable it, and a pop-up asking you to allow wireless debugging should come up. Now scroll and check the Always Allow on this network option, then tap on Allow. Next, tap on the Pair New Device option on your watch. As you can see, I am able to see my IP address on the watch now. Keep this screen open on your watch, and now let's move on to the phone. First, install the EasyFire tool on your Android device. I will be leaving the link for the same in the description below. Once you have installed the app, open it. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Open Settings, scroll below and look for the IP address option under Connection Settings. Once you find it, tap on it, a dialog box will appear. Here, enter the IP address you see on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. Make sure you are adding the correct IP address, as it should look something like this. Tap on OK. Now enable this Auto Connect option and go back to the app home screen. Here in the top right corner, you will find this plug-like icon. Tap on it. This will start the connection process with your watch. A dialog box saying authorization is required will pop up on your screen. When using the app for the first time, the watch will ask to allow debugging. Make sure to select Always Allow from this computer option and tap on Continue on your Android device. Now you can install the watch face APK on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. You will find the link for the same in the description below. On the app screen, tap on the Custom APK file option. Now tap on Select File. Here, locate the APK files you have downloaded and then tap on the Install button. A pop-up asking you to confirm side-loading the app will appear. Tap on Yes and it will start installing the app on your watch. This will begin the file transfer and installation process. Depending on the app size, it can take 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to keep your phone's display turned on the entire time. I would recommend increasing your phone screen timeout to avoid any issues altogether. Once installation is finished, then select the second APK file, third APK file, and then fourth one by one. To access all 4 watch faces, go to the downloaded section under watch faces in Samsung Galaxy Wearable app. Hopefully you found the video useful, and if you did, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Also, in my last tutorial video, lots of users were commenting on the same issues without reading my replies to other comments. So do check out other comments that I have answered before posting any questions. Also consider subscribing to our channel Wearholic for the latest updates on wearable tech.